steaming, as you can tell. Look at that, just cut it off.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is KSJ today, coming at you. Listen, I'm not a chef by no means, nor am I a cook, but I do know how to. And with that being said, all right, man, I got you, dude. Anyways, got a little toddler in the background. I had the perfect solution for this on how to take care of it. I'm gonna show you guys here in a second. But my alarm just went off because I have something that I'm cooking. So, we have jalapeno poppers, plus we have, which is carb friendly, see it or not. Then we also have radishes and onions that are awesomely seasoned. This is gonna be for something different. These are actually ready to go, come out right now. Let me just pull these out, because these are actually done. Oh yeah, those are done. These are still gonna go in there. Hey, what's up everybody? I am gonna show you my recipe on how I make zucchini bread that is keto carb friendly. It's amazing, it's healthy for you, just absolutely awesome. Anyways, I had my little one in the background over here getting fussy, and I already gave him a piece. I'm gonna give him another one because he already smashed it. So yeah, there we go. Here's the trick to keep the house quiet. Bread, water. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Anyways. I know, man. I know. You're liking it, huh? Now this is amazing.
Yeah, boy.
But it's not what I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make. But I will show you how to make something today. And that is going to be carb-friendly, keto-friendly zucchini bread. So here's what you're going to need. Almond flour, coconut flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves, some salt, baking powder, baking soda, beef gelatin, some brown sugar, and we're going to need some coconut oil, some vanilla extract, and here we go. Oh yeah, and of course, zucchini. And a large bowl, and a grater, and butter, I forgot. And of course, my recipe. One cup of almond flour. A half cup of coconut flour. Half teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 3/4 of a teaspoon of beef gelatin. A half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Half teaspoon of ground cloves. 5 eggs. 5 eggs. 1 stick of butter. We also need 3 tablespoons of liquefied coconut oil. Get it all out. Okay, that's good enough for, I think you know what. So now we need to liquefy it, 3 tablespoons. And there's a myth, you can't put metal inside of the microwave. You can, just as long as it doesn't have like air gaps in it, like aluminum foil. That's like a no-no. Or if it's real close to this. That's why this rack is metal, but it's being held here, and that's what this little gap up here is for. So it's not actually coming in contact close, and that's why it doesn't spark.
Denied.
Anyways, tidbit. And I've been smashing my jalapeno poppers, which are awesome. That's for another day. 15 seconds should do. Stuck it in there for another 10 seconds. 15 quite wasn't good enough. Put it in there for another 15 seconds because 10 seconds wasn't quite good enough. On top of the 15 I did earlier.
You serious?
Okay. So I stuck it in there for another 15 seconds on top of that. So roughly a minute. That's good enough. If it was in a glass jar, I probably could have got away with 30 seconds or so. But 3 tablespoons liquefied coconut oil. Half cup of Truvia brown sugar blend. Carb friendly, not carb free, carb friendly. Half cup. Oh. Packed. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1.5 cups of grated zucchini. And the 1.5 cups needs to be packed. So this is a half cup and it's packed. Need to note that if you have a seedy zucchini, it's okay. Not gonna hurt anything, it's not gonna affect the taste whatsoever. Now as a final option, you can add pecans, walnuts, you can add any kind of, if you wanted any other kind of nuts, chestnut, whatever you kind of want, you could add into this as well. And I would say you only add 1/2 cup if you want to add nuts into your bread. So I know other people, they make zucchini bread and they mix these things separately. Not KSJ's way. So we like to make it fast, efficient, tastes great, healthy. Now I'm gonna blend it all up. So here I go, I'll be right back. Make sure you beat that butter good. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely. Next, set your timer or set your stove for 325. Now, oil your 9x5 pan. What? 8.5 by 4.5 by 2.5. Basically a bread pan. Some of the dimensions might be a little bit different. No big deal. If you want, you could use butter, probably Crisco, or if you wanted to use like olive oil or something, you could probably, anything just to kind of oil the bottom so it doesn't stick. Next, add in your batter. You want to get it all out of here so you're not wasting any greatness. That's really, really good. Once you get all the batter from the bowl into your pan, you basically just level it out. Okay, now that it's all leveled out for the most part, we're gonna stick it in the oven for 55 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 55 minutes.
55 minutes, starting now.
There we go. Just finished up. Let's take a look at her.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, man. Oh, God, it smells so good. Let me go ahead and grab a butter knife real quick here. I think we're good. Get yourself a toothpick just to make sure. We're good. Nothing sticking to it. So now we're gonna go ahead and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. And then I'll show you the inside. Here it is, steaming, as you can tell. Look at that, just cut it off. Let me show you how moist this is if you could tell. Watch this. Look at that.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh. Okay, let me take a bite here. Hold on. Oh my God. That's so good. That is delicious.
Yummy.
That's delicious. Here, buddy. Want some?
Yeah.
Try that out. See how you like it. Is that good?
Nice.
Let's see if it's good. Here. Let's give you another piece and see if you eat it. This is healthy for you, son. Oh, yeah. It's kid approved, so you know it's good. Would you like to try it?
Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh, God.
You like that? Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. All right, then. There it is. I'm 2 for 2, well, 3 for 3 for the most part. Come out beautiful. It's amazing.